Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial I will show how to disassemble your Iwata HP-CS airbrush. In the following video I will show how to assemble it back. Okay, let's start. We begin by twisting the head cap in a counterclockwise motion. As you can see, it unscrews pretty easily. The next part is the crown cap. Again, just twist it in a counterclockwise motion and it will unscrew. Use caution when you do so, as you're getting pretty close to the needle and you don't want to break its tip or bend it, because you'll have to get a new one. Now we will take the head cap out. Now this may be a bit hard or tricky. If you get paint inside, dry paint can cause it to stick, so just use this screw you get with the airbrush and unscrew it in a counterclockwise motion. Comes straight off. Now we have the nozzle, as you can see. Just twist it or tilt it gently and it will come right off. Now we unscrew the handle in a counterclockwise motion, the needle cog, and we have now the chucking guide, what basically forms the trigger mechanism. So you have this part, just unscrew it. Now there's a spring inside, you don't want to lose that, so unscrew it. There's your spring. Now when you want to take the needle out, make sure you push it inward, towards here. You want to push it, don't pull it. If you pull it, you may get paint all over the trigger housing, and that's rather difficult to clean and you don't want to do that. So just push and take it outside. This is the needle guide, and finally the trigger. You got this. So that's basically your airbrush. That's the main body. See you in the next video.